Okay, hi, now I present about purchase GRN Stock In Applet. So purchase GRN Stock In Applet is for you to use if you want to have the stock into your stock balance from the GRN. So you need to use purchase GRN Stock In Applet, not purchase GRN Applet. So purchase GRN Stock In Applet will add the stock into your stock balance. So when you sell out, you can directly sell from the sales invoice part. Okay, so the system can deduct your stock, and then for this one, the system will add your stock. So purchase GRN Stock In Applet is very easy to use. It's similar to the GRN Applet. So you just need to click create. So from here, if you have a purchase order, then you can get the purchase order. If you don't have purchase order that you want to do the manual one, then you can just move to the main details. So from main details, you need to select the branch. And then if you want to add other details, you can just update here, like reference, description, or remarks. And then if you want to put the delivery order number that you get from the supplier, you can add to here also. Then you can move to account. In the account, you need to select the supplier. After you select the supplier, then you can move to the lines. So in lines is for you to add the item. So you just need to click create, then you search the item that you purchase. Once you select, then you can see more details like the price of the item. Then you can update the quantity. Then you can just add. Okay, so after you add the lines, then this is all the steps that for the purchase GRN Stock In Applet. So you can just final it, or you also can go back to other tabs to check the more other details, and then you can add more items. Then after you confirm, you can save it or finally save it means it will be saved as draft, but in the draft it won't have any posting to the inventory, but once you click final, then you will have the posting for the inventory. Okay, then the purchase GRN Stock In already created. Okay, so if let's say you did more, like you already added a lot of items, then after you add the items, you find out that you did wrong, and you already final the purchase GRN, then you can avoid this purchase GRN Stock In. Then you can clone it. Once you clone it, then the system will help you to create another purchase GRN Stock In draft, so you can edit only the wrong item from there. Then after that, you can final, and then you can continue. Okay, so this is the clone function. Then you can tick from here. You can print if you want, or you also can void from the main listing. Okay, then here is the search. So you can use this search, advanced search here to find your purchase GRN Stock In listing. The next menu is line items. So line items is only for you to show the GRN listing by item. Okay, you can see what is the GRN number, then what is the supplier, also the item code, and then item name, then how many quantity that you purchase, and then its amount. Okay, so that's all for the purchase GRN Stock In Applet. So when you use the purchase GRN Stock In Applet, you must use the purchase invoice no stock in applet. So both applet you cannot use it separately. So once you use the purchase GRN Stock In Applet, you must convert the purchase GRN Stock In Applet to purchase invoice no stock in applet after you have received the invoice from your supplier. Okay, so GRN Stock In is only for you to do the stock in, but without billing from the supplier. Once you receive the billing, then you need to convert the GRN Stock In Applet to purchase invoice no stock in applet. Okay, so purchase invoice no stock in applet will be will be in another video. Okay, so this video is only for Purchase GRN Stock In Applet. Okay, so that's all for this one.